अगर कोई पेशेंट्स हों. We have got arrangements of 4,246 beds currently. 2014 जो साढ़े तैयार ने. Another 949 in the private sector beds we have kept reserved. Total 52 government and 195 private hospitals have been booked for these corona incidents. जैसे जैसे ये चलेंगे. Now after 10,000, when it crosses, if God willing it doesn't cross, वाहिगुरू करे ना आए होए, लेकिन अगर वो असी देखते हैं कि 10,000 पहुँच गए साढ़े पेशेंट इन पेशेंट्स, फिर असी we will activate the phase 2 where 10,000 beds are being added further. They have been identified हर district दे विच and हर city दे विच, and we will activate them and we start there. Then if we reach 10,000, which is half of 20,000, then we enter phase 3 where we have made another 10,000 bed the arrangement. Hostels, university hostels, college hostels, school hostels, whatever, where we have earmarked for an emergency type of situation. As far as materials are concerned, कैटरैक्ट का ऑपरेशन कराया सी ना, तो बात पड़ा ही नहीं था. Ventilators, we have a total number available to us 554. 15 we have just picked from the market and 93 are on order. So Sadekol, we will have well over 600 ventilators. As I told you, only 2 patients are on ventilators at the moment. N95 masks, Sadekol available stock is 4,70,000. Plus we've just added on another 46. Another fresh orders have been placed for 4,60,000. And total available stock so far is 5,18,000. So we have no shortage of that. Similarly, triple layer masks जड़े ने असी available साढ़े कोल 75 लाख ने और 61 लाख असी होर order किते ने. So we have plenty of, there's no shortage of triple जो मैं पा रहे हैं थे इस वेले. PPE kits, we have available stock of 1,64,000 plus 88. That means about now 2 lakh something. We have fresh orders placed for 4,63,000 and total available in our hospitals at the moment is 2,52,000 in reserve. Oxygen we have no problem. ये जड़े beds होंगे about 2,223 beds are going to be with oxygen for the high dependency. जिधे विच साढ़े कोल इस वेले we have got 23 patients. 7 on ventilator and 23, but so reserves साढ़े कोल बहुत पए ने. We don't have any trouble in that score. I hope कि पंजाब दे विच ये problem ना होए, because problems, देखो, here is what I have just sent to the Prime Minister. Memorandum of the Government of India seeking fiscal and non-fiscal assistance from government. We have covered all our area. We estimate that by the end of this financial year, we will be about 30,000 crores short of revenue. Karan, one, GST will be reduced. Jab industry nahi hai, so you don't have, or trade is going down, the industry will certainly go down. We have received only 2,200, that is January, February, March, GST. April, May, June, the hun auni hai. And I hope they will give it in time, plus some other grants that are due to us. Lekin 30,000 crores worth of shortfall, which we estimate, और ये हाले सानू पता नहीं कि एक कोविड जाना किथे है. As far as indications are concerned, we will reach a peak. Some say July, some say August, September, October, November, could be any time. There is no clear-cut method of this escalation, and we have to be अपन तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी कि कदे भी हो सकता है, like it's happening elsewhere, unless ਅਸੀਂ अपनी protection ना करिए. Protection ਦਾ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਤਰੀਕਾ ਹੈ. ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੇ ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, the doctors, ਜੋ scientists ਨੇ saying 75% protection is only by wearing masks. अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ masks समय सिर पा लो और रखो as all times, that is 75% of your chances of getting infection are not there. So, then of course, washing your hands, social distancing वगैरह वो दूसरी गल्लां ने ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਸਵਾਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਦੇ ਕਦੇ ਕਿ ਕਦੋਂ ਫਿਰ ਲੋਕਡਾਊਨ ਚੱਕੋਗੇ ਲੋਕਡਾਊਨ ਚੱਕਣ ਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਲਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਫਤਿਹ ਵਧਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦਾ ਦੈਟ ਵਿਲ ਸਮੇਂ ਹੀ ਦੱਸੂ ਕਿ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਹਾਲਾਤ ਬਣ ਜਾਣੇ ਨੇ ਵਨ ਥਿੰਗ ਆਈ ਕੈਨ ਅਸ਼ੋਰ ਯੂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਗਰ ਇਹ ਫੈਲਣ ਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਚਾਂਸਿਸ ਨੇ I will act firmly. I will not let this spread in my state. I have to do my best and I will do whatever I medically. We have a team which advises us of very eminent doctors. Dr. Talwar is there, Dr. Rajesh Kumar, jo community medicine the head say in PGI, is retired. Then Dr. Raj Bahadur, who's our vice chancellor of the Baba Farid University. No doctors, and Dr. Talwar used to be director of this PGI, and he's one of India's most renowned heart specialists. So this team tells us what to do, and I will go by the team's advice. If they say what to do, I will do it. ਔਖਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਲੱਗੂਗਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਪੀਪਲ ਗੈਟ ਫੈਡ ਅਪ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਫੈਡ ਅਪ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਫੈਡ ਅਪ ਹੋ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਦੇਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਕੰਮ ਘਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਬੈਠੇ ਰਹਾਂਗੇ ਬਟ ਦੇਰ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੱਥ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ